In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will start a new chapter, unit number 11, force and pressure. So first we must know about the force. What is force? A force is defined as a push or pull which produces acceleration in an object. Whenever we push or pull something, we say that we have applied force. By applying force on an object, we can make it move faster or slow. We can also stop a moving object by applying force. Or you can say force is an external agent capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body. Have you got it? Now we will learn about pressure. Pressure can be defined as the force acting per unit area. So that pressure increases with the increase in force and decreases with the increase in the area of its application. Have you got it? Now we will learn about Pascal's law. Pascal was a French scientist. He proved that when pressure is applied to an enclosed fluid, it is transmitted equally in all the direction throughout the fluid. By the help of activity, you can understand easily. Take a water bottle or polythene container and make few holes in it. Fill the bottle with water and close its mouth with a cap. And press the bottle with your hand. Now you will observe that water flows out of these holes with equal pressure, proving Pascal's law. Now what is Pascal's law? When pressure is applied to an enclosed fluid, it is transmitted equally in all the direction throughout the fluid. This is called Pascal's law. Got it? Now we will discuss about the Pascal's law and hydraulic brake system. An important application of Pascal's law in the construction and use the hydraulic press and hydraulic brakes. Now see the picture. It shows the Pascal's law in this picture. Because Pascal's principle is also put to use by automobile manufacturers for designing hydraulic brakes for car, buses, truck, etc. When the driver wants to apply brakes, he pushes down the brake pedal. The brake oil transmits the pressure which pushes the brake shoe and lining against the rotating brake drum. When the pressure on the brake pedal is released, the spring pulls back the shoe. So hydraulic press works on Pascal's principle. According to Pascal's principle, when pressure is applied to an enclosed fluid, it is transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. Now we will talk about the pressure in a liquid increases with depth. Now see the diagram. It shows the pressure in a liquid increases with depth. You can see in this picture there is a container and some few holes in it at different levels. It will be observed that pressure of flow of water increases according to the depth of the hole below water surface, proving that pressure in a liquid increases with depth. You can see the low pressure, medium pressure, high pressure, which shows the pressure in a liquid increases with depth. Have you got it? Now home task, long questions. Question number 4. How will you prove that liquid pressure increases with depth? Question number 5. Describe a simple experiment to prove Pascal's law. Question number 6. Name and state the principle on which the hydraulic press works. This is enough for today. We will learn something new in our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.